Urgent hiring for workshop manager, four-wheeler service. Position workshop manager, location Patna, Bihar. Salary range 35,000 to 40,000 per month. Joining immediate joiners preferred. Key responsibilities: manage and complete workshop operations and service activities, supervise technician, mechanics, and workshop staff, ensure timely delivery of vehicle with quality service, handle customer complaints and provide effective service solution, monitor workshop productivity, service quality, and operational efficiency, maintain job cards, spare parts coordination, and service record, ensure adherence to safety standards and company service details policy. Candidates requirement: minimum 4 to 5 years of experience as a service manager, workshop manager mandatory. A strong knowledge of four-wheeler servicing is mandatory. Candidate with experience in heavy vehicle will also be preferred. Good leadership, team management, and customer handling skills. Ability to manage workshop operations independently. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इस जॉब के लिए तो अपना अपडेटेड सीवी नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।